Hi guys, Andrea from Tiledesk here. I want to show you how easy it is to create a chatbot with the new Chatbot Design Studio. As soon as you create a chatbot from scratch, you will see this couple of blocks and a chip. This is the start chip and it is where all the conversation starts. You can move around, you can zoom in and zoom out, you can choose a lot of features here that we call actions from the sign menu. We will talk about this later. Anyway, as soon as the conversation starts, it will engage this block that is the welcome block. This block contains an action where you can just modify the text that you will send to your user. So you can also arrange more than one text field. For example, we can add another one with welcome to Tiledesk, and we can move this on top. That is better. No? The idea in this tutorial is to just create flow based on buttons. Buttons are a very easy way to interact with your users. Using buttons doesn't involve special features like artificial intelligence, for example. In this use case, I want to show how easy it is to create, for example, a chatbot that will move you through the teams into your company. For example, we can suppose that we have a sales team here, and another team that we can call the support team. Now, the idea in our design is that as soon as the user lands on your conversation, you will just see a couple of buttons and choose to move to the sales department or the support team. How can you add the next reply? No, but because we just want to do an easy task, welcome message designed for each department. So I can just move here on the left menu, drag and drop here the reply, and here we can say welcome to the sales team. Well, we can just connect the button to the block. It's always important to choose a good name for your block. For example, sales in this case, because when your flow becomes more complex, you can just lose yourself into the flow. You can just unfocus, or you just want to refocus on your blocks. You can use the sidebar here to select again your blocks based on their names. You can also use here the search bar to most easily recap on your blocks. Now the other way, that is my preferred way to connect a block to a button, is just to drag and drop directly from here and create a reply on the fly. So this is my support block, and I can choose welcome to support team, I can say. Okay, well, as soon as you design your flow, what do you want to do is to play around with your design. Okay, you just push the play button on top of the block, and you can see here your chatbot live. You can also try to test another block in a totally separate way, because it's important for you, for example, exactly on this part of the flow. Well, guys, we accomplished our task, and more complex features and more useful features, I can say, will come in next tutorials. Bye, bye, bye.